Welcome back. Be a quick little video about how I divide the trailer in half. Keep my materials separate so they don't get mixed. See, we got the trailer divided in half. I'll have them put the dirt all the way in the back. I'll show you the devices I use. Got some people wanting to know what I use, the bracket I use, and how I made it. By dividing the trailer in half like that, I'm able to carry two different materials and keep them separated. Get this raised up and you can see everything I've got. As you can see, I store my boards underneath the trailer. Keep them out of the weather. They last longer that way. And it's a matter of just take them, throw them up in the bed. Now those are ready. And the main part that everybody seems to want to know. That would be these devices, these brackets. Get up there and we'll show you. Brackets, I've got holes in the bed. Punch it through. Put on top. As you can see, holes in the bottom of the bed, down here in the bed. And then you just hook onto one of your pockets. I've got the same thing. Holes back here as well. This way I can divide it back here. I put 2 yards of material, 6 to 7 yards of material up here. Keep them separate. What these things are, some 2-inch channel. I should have made it one piece. I regret doing that, not doing that. Have it welded to a piece of angle iron, probably 1.5 inch angle iron. Nothing major. This piece here, I don't remember what it came off of. It was just some scraps laying around. Welded on there, so this will hook over the side of your trailer, down into the pocket. Piece of rebar down at the other end. It's welded into the angle. The reason I use the angle is to give it a little bit of strength. It doesn't try to twist on you. Shouldn't try, but it's a little bit more to hold on to. Makes it a lot more rigid. Put another piece of angle up here. I'll show you what that one's for. That top piece of angle, you got your boards down in here. You've dumped the first material out. Now you have a lot of weight up against your boards. These aren't going to just slide up out of here. I take my bar that I open the tailgate with, put it underneath that one, break it loose, and slide them up out of there. If you do go off and make these, so don't make the mistake like using 2 pieces. Use 1 full piece, about a 2-foot piece. That way when you're putting your boards down in here, the first board, it's not hanging up. That's one of the problems I deal with. my first board wants to hang up. Also made a tray underneath the trailer where I keep my chains when you get stuck. My divider, divide the trailer in half, or divide the load spreading out in half, I should say. And it's also where I store these. They're out of your way, not bouncing around in the bed of your truck. Under here, tucked away. Anyhow, hopefully this helped you out some. There'll be more to come. Get this all closed back up. Get ready to go to work. You can see we got the trailer divided in half. I'll have them put the dirt. Thanks for watching.